Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a reliable fallback. Backup files and the database now, not later. Once done, verify FTP or SFTP access so updates can write files. Make sure you note plugin and theme versions to spot incompatibilities. Enable WordPress debugging and temporarily turn off caching to see changes clearly. These steps reduce risk and explain why updates succeed or fail. They also let you revert quickly if an update breaks something, so take the extra minute to confirm backups completed. You update WordPress core first via dashboard updates because core changes can affect plugin behavior. Next, update plugins and themes in small batches so you can identify the culprit if something breaks. After each batch, visit the front end and key admin pages to test functionality. If you have a staging site, apply updates there first. That's the safest approach. Make sure to check the debug log for PHP notices or fatal errors, and capture screenshots of any failures for troubleshooting. You finish by clearing all caches, resaving permalinks, and testing critical flows like forms, logins, and checkout. If something goes wrong, revert immediately using the backup, then enable WP Debug to view errors and disable the most recent plugin or theme to isolate the problem. Once resolved, update documentation with current versions and set a schedule for regular updates to avoid large jumps. One key tip: if the admin is inaccessible, use FTP to rename a plugin folder to disable it and regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.